Hey guys, here today at Huddle we have a custom PC build. I'm going to go through what we have going into the PC build today, and then we'll just jump right into it. Alright, the customer chose the Zondda B case. You can see it's got blue accents. It's got a couple exhaust fans up front. It's got an intake fan on the side. You can see the exhaust fan there in the back as well. Just these simple blue accents to it. It's got blue LED lights on the fans as well. Go ahead and open the side there. As far as the internals, we have the B450 Steel Legend by AS Rock. It is a Ryzen AMD motherboard. We have the Ryzen 5 3600 3rd gen processor. We have 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM. We have a 500 gig SSD. We have a 2 terabyte hard drive. We have the 500 watt power supply. It's the 80 plus bronze edition. And then we have the MSI 1650 GTX GeForce Ventus XS graphics card. Running it all is the Windows 10 Pro edition. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. truth. You can see I've got the DVD drive just plugged in momentarily so I can get the operating system and driver disc installed. Once I get those discs installed, this DVD drive will come out of there, and then I'll be able to close it all up. But here's the moment of truth. We'll flip the switch on the back. You got RGBs on the motherboard. So far so good. We hit the power button. No sparks. And we have successful boot to disk. As you can tell, the Windows logo just popped up. It's getting into the install mode. We'll be installing Windows 10 and we'll be good to go. It's the next day. I finished up operating system installation and driver installation. Ran all the updates that were necessary to get the system running proficiently. Got the lights on the motherboard set to blue so all the accent colors are matching. Everything runs great. This morning I did a little beautification on the wires inside the device. Just covered those up, made them look a little bit nicer. I was able to get some cable cover here, here on the main power supply. Got a little bit back here as well to hide some of those multicolored wires. This evening we have the install at the customer's home, getting it all set up for him and getting him familiar with his new system. Overall, the build went great, and thank you for watching.